In this video, join us on a journey of discovery as we unveil the process of crafting the pine pollen tincture and explore the captivating health benefits it holds. Pine pollen, sometimes referred to as nature's gold dust, is the fine golden powder collected from the male reproductive organs of pine trees. This remarkable substance has been treasured across cultures and time for its potential medicinal properties, which have been studied and revered for centuries. The craftsmanship behind pine pollen tinctures involves carefully collecting the potent pollen during the peak of their release and their season. Once collected, we add the pollen to a jar along with alcohol, vodka in this case, and leave it to steep for 4 weeks before starting to use. Pine pollen tincture is revered for its abundance of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and amino acids. This powerful blend of natural compounds is believed to promote overall well-being, boost energy levels, support hormonal balance, and strengthen the immune system. Its adaptogenic properties make it help the body adapt to stress and enhance vitality. While pine pollen tincture has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, modern scientific studies are beginning to shed light on its potential health benefits, from supporting reproductive health and combating inflammation to promoting cognitive function and aiding detoxification. The spectrum of its medicinal properties continues to captivate researchers and health enthusiasts alike. So let's embrace the natural healing power of pine pollen tinctures, knowing that it derives from majestic pine trees that have long symbolized strength, resilience, and vitality. Incorporating this elixir into your wellness routine, let its potential medicinal properties rejuvenate our bodies and our spirits. Explore the wonders of pine pollen tinctures and embrace the gift that nature offers. Unlock the potential of this golden elixir to harness its potential medicinal benefits. Let's embark on a journey of wellness and vitality together. The pine pollen tincture.